For instance, just in November when we had a meeting with the African National Congress, we had milestone to do certain things by January. They were not done. We met in March. Milestone to do other things by May. They were not done. We met in June, late June this year. Milestones that have not been done. Every time we set up this committee, that committee. No, comrades, I personally am sick and tired of meetings that are meaningless. Creating promises, creating illusions to the people, and therefore when the people no longer trust us, we just don't know what we can then do. And when we are saying, no, we cannot accept this kind of leadership, people don't see it. Because, you know, comrades, it's very important for you to understand as members, when the leadership meets and have discussions, when we report back, we don't report back differences. We report progress from the meeting. Because we must focus on progress. But when all the time we report progress, the people no longer trust us because we don't follow up on the progress that we have achieved. But in this case, it's because of imbalance in power relations within the framework of the alliance. We will correct that. We remain committed to the alliance. We have never said we will leave the alliance. Not even once have we ever ushered this weight. We remain committed with the alliance. We were the fundamental initiators of this alliance as a Communist Party.